It's your last chance to fall in love with me. It's your romance. Oh, darling, can't you see? It's your last chance to go steady with me now.
Hey, sorry baby, but I'm married to the money, and I'm feeling like I'm Pooper, how I'm chasing all these honeys. Wouldn't even hold her down and she look like a Pepper Bunny, doing donuts in the whippy, going stupid, going dummy, trying to make me a milli so I can fuck it up. Hey, I don't care about your feelings, bitch, you can suck it up. Said you funny, you silly, think I'ma call you up. Said you really want him to fall in love. She said
it's your last chance to fall in love with me. It's your romance. Oh, darling, can't you see? It's your last chance to go steady with me now.
Hey, now what if the chick got cooties, but what if she a snack? I ain't talking about Scooby. Shorty want the D-straps long like Luffy. I just eat at Hooters if I'm trying to see some boobies. Hey, does she want money or to love me? Everything with this a mystery. I have to make a choice and after that it's gonna be history. And time is running out, I'm getting pressed like, are you kidding me? But if we fall in love, she'll probably wanna blow a kiss to me.
It's your last chance. You said you love me, darling, there's no romance. And now your sad chick's calling. Your last chance to go steady with me now. I've waited a long time. I prayed each day and night. Oh, I loved with all my heart and mind, but you just won't keep me right. Oh no.
Alright, I think I made a choice. I play it like a toy, then I leave it for the boys, cause these bitches catching STDs like it's the NFL. I said it can't be me, I gotta wish them well, and then I'm out. She in it for the clout, try to get inside my lane, I had to take a different route. I made a bitch my ex, and now she wanna pout. And then I get a text, and guess what it's about? She said
It's your last chance